Hello friend, in this video I will demonstrate 4 different hairstyles that has very easy to recreate. The first things you want to do is to set your hair with a very large velcro roller with different size so you get a maximum curl, or you can use a curling iron but different size curling iron so you get this nice vavavoom playful look. This is what I call the playful ponytail because it sits right at the top of the crown and is smooth, but it has nice large curl that it does smooth at the end. And then you have a nice bangs. You can put the bangs forward. And for this, you will need a maximum hold hairspray that can sit all day until you are ready to come home. So this is a high top ponytail and very good for someone who is very busy and in and out. Excellent and easy to recreate. So the mid ponytail is just above the occipital bones. The ponytail that sits above the occipital bones has a very definite personality. This is playful, but it still gives you this finishing look that you mean business. So if you want to make a deal, this is a very, very good hairstyle to use, very easy to recreate. Remember to set a little bit using curling iron or big velcro roller so you get a maximum volume, and that gives this nice finishing touch. Very easy, just above the occipital bones, and this is very good ponytail. This is what I call this the business playful, and it can very much be turning into a dinner finishing style. It's very nice, slick back, everything is nice and smooth, and you can part your bangs the way you prefer. You can do it to the side. To give the bang to the side, we gives you this nice business look. So if you're into administration, this is just perfect for someone who has long hair and want to get this nice finishing touch. Perfect ponytail. So this is the business finishing playful look. So this is what I call the administrative ponytail. This is the very, very low ponytail, and it sits right now, right maybe 2 finger below the occipital bones. And depending how low you're, if you touch your occipital bones, it's just behind and here your neck. So just below the occipital bones, as low as you can, and then this gives you this really administrative finishing look. This is a very good for a woman who is into administration and mean business but still wants to be in style. So this is excellent for someone who doesn't have too much time and still want to look good and finished and polished. So this is the low ponytail, and this is the administrative look. Great for someone who is intend to be in high management, to promotion, or even get a big deal. This is a very good finishing look. This beautiful side ponytail will give you a lot of vavavoom. It is tied just 1.5 above your ear right here, and you just can put it whatever side you prefer, and you will set your hair with this big velcro roller, or just curl it with a big curling iron, but you will need to have a different very uneven curl so you get this vavavoom effect. And just before you're ready to, when you take off your ponytail, just hold it like this, hold your curl like that with a medium hold hairspray, and you got this really drama queen ponytail, what I call the Madagascar ponytail. The Madagascar ponytail created by Chantal. I hope, my friend, that you have enjoyed this video, and remember, I do not bring you drama. I only deliver beauty. Beauty and style. This is all I'm bringing you. This is Chantal Pons. Au revoir, merci et à très bientôt.